Hello, my name is Michael Dugan, and this is the final video of my Unit 3 review packet. Right now, I am solving problem 7. And as you can see, I already put two equations on off screen. This is the vertical height of the ball in correspondence to time. As you can see, I included gravity as a negative number, negative 16t squared, and the vertical velocity, 48t. And of course, our horizontal velocity I marked as x as 72t. So the first question asked is, what is the maximum height the ball will reach? In order to find a maximum, you need to use the equation negative b over 2a. In this case, negative b is negative 48 over 2a, negative 32. This spits out to be 1.5. So that means that the ball is at its maximum height after 1.5 seconds. So this means that we have to plug it back into our original equation. Negative 16, 1.5 squared, plus 48, 1.5, equals y. So 1.5 times 1.5 equals 2.25, times negative 16 is negative 36. Now 48 times 1.5 is 72. 72 minus 36 is 36 feet. So the maximum height of the ball is 36 feet. But the second part of this problem is asking, when the ball is at 36 feet, how far has it traveled horizontally? And we are using this in terms of seconds. So if the ball is at its highest at 1.5 seconds, we'll plug that same time value into 72. So 72 times 1.5 will give us our horizontal distance. 72 times 1.5 is 108, which is our final answer for this first equation. Of course, our next question is asking us, how high off the ground is the ball when it gets to a player 32 yards away? So I'm going to erase what we did for part A and move right on to part B, saving our two initial equations because I'll still need them. So it's asking how high the ground is when it gets to a player 32 yards away. 32 yards away is a horizontal distance. So I'll first be dealing with our horizontal equation. The velocities we were given are in feet, so we have to convert our yard value into feet by multiplying 32 by 3, because 1 yard equals 3 feet. 32 times 3 is 96. So now we have to figure out which timestamp was the ball at 96 feet. So we do 72t equals 96. Once we divide both sides by 72, in order to cancel it out, we will get 96 divided by 72, 1.3 repeating feet. So now we're going to plug this back in to our vertical equation to get our final answer, our MacGuffin, the last thing that we are looking for. So, plugging this back in, negative 16 times 1.3 repeating squared plus 48, 1.3 repeating, equals our final value. So 1.3 repeating to the power of 2 is 1.7 repeating, times negative 16 is negative 28.4 repeating. 48 times 4/3, which is the same as 1.3 repeating, equals 64. When we combine these two, 64 and negative 28.4 repeating, we are left with 35.5 repeating, which I'll simplify into 5/6 feet, which is our final vertical answer. Thank you so much for listening. I'll catch you on the next one.